fly unless you're behind that orange line.
Sammy! Misha and Sammy were hungry, right? They're eating hot dogs.
Not hot dogs. They're eating dogs.
To all of you, Happy Easter! We are at Philly Egg Hunt today. So welcome to our channel. They are all running. So we are here at Egg Hunt. So today is Saturday and we came here to see Egg Hunt. And we have to say Happy Easter to all of you. Misha, can we say Happy Easter? Happy Easter, Misha! Happy Easter! Happy Easter to all of you. So we are going inside. We gonna show you like which is very special here. So we're gonna share with you this Easter egg hunt here. With this, like through this video, you can see like how they celebrate their Easter egg hunt. Misha and Sanvi both are excited. So you can see the craziness. The people are here already before the event. So we're gonna share this event thing here. So there's so much fun here. We're not gonna just do the Easter egg hunt. We're gonna what we're gonna see here? Tell me. Yeah, helicopter will come and spread lot of Easter egg here. So everybody got their buckets. She also got her bucket. So everybody is ready here with their buckets to catch the eggs from the sky. They're gonna spread. So
there's a raffle ticket for the gift card, and a wristband for the inflatables.
okay. Thank you. So we got our tickets. Ready? Misha, you ready with your bucket? Right? So we're gonna see how they're gonna do this Easter egg hunt here. So I hope it's gonna be fun because this is our first time here, which is is gonna be the unique experience. So we'll share with you. So you stay connected with this video so you can see the different way they celebrate with the Easter egg hunt. We're crossing this whole lines here to here. Okay. What do you got? This is a band?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Misha is also waiting. So we got our raffle tickets, I think. To all of you. Happy Easter!
You got bag?
This is raffle ticket bag. Let's see how they're gonna give us the raffle. People like coming here, up in here, and they're jumping in this place. This is area, and I think that side is the egg hunt area.
Epic Center, Epic King of Persia. This is just a template.
Okay. Just started playing. Which one you wanna go? This one? Remove your shoes. Okay. Careful, Misha. Watch out, okay? Ooh, Misha, Sammy. Careful, don't hit anyone, okay?
He did it, but
They're running. Oh God, this is for little kids. The Sam is also there. It's hard for her to jump on. Oh, are you already here? Hi, Sammy. This is for little kids. Now they are here. Misha, Sammy. Sammy, careful, don't go near to small, okay, small kids. Woo. Happy Easter! The kids enjoying this kind of things. So we are enjoying here at Easter egg hunt, and they are all busy. What happened?
I want to
Go? Choose. So if I'm gonna post here the comments what we are getting on our videos, which is very awesome. Thanks for supporting our channel and giving us a good comments in videos, and thank you for giving your love to us, because that's why we are encouraging ourselves to make a lot of videos and giving you good things, sharing with you all our family moments and whatever wherever we are going. So I hope you're gonna like this video also. So if you like this video and you wanna share something about this place, which is in King of Prussia Easter egg hunt, so which is Philly Easter egg hunt. So if you already been there, so you can share with us, and if you like this video on our channel also, you can subscribe. Thank you. I'm here this side, which is Bunny picture clicks. So you wanna go to take the pictures with Bunny? You can see it. Bunnies are there, sitting over there. Let's go take picture with Bunny. Okay, thank you. Cute bunny. Oh, so cute bunnies. We are going there now. Back. They were so cute. So this is the good area. You can see they all prepared with the Easter egg hunts. So the kids gonna play here later. I don't know when they're gonna let us go, so we can go. Right now we are waiting in, like, we are just exploring some nearby places. So let's see what we can do else. So stay with us so you can see. What are you saying?
The helicopter is coming at 3 o'clock.
They said?
For dropping the Easter eggs.
Oh. So we are. I'm just seeing like everybody got their bunny baskets. What we have? Which one? Which basket we have? The Halloween one. This is like our Indian jugaad. We wanted to buy, but we said okay, leave it. Whatever we have, we can use that. This is for like.
Can I also sit down too?
For a few minutes. Next week they're gonna use. Next time we will get the bunny one. Misha now came here finally after a long time playing in the jumping place.
In the
Inflatable stuff. She was not tired.
Yeah, you also can go in there too.
Okay. So you can see the rush. Because when we came here, like it was not too much rush, but now it's like ultimate, like, and it's fun place here. Like everybody came here with their family and kids, and the kids are enjoying basically. What are you doing? We came in this area. You can see. And so when is gonna start? Excuse me, when is gonna start?
Right here. But it doesn't start till 3.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Give me your eggs to me.
Oh, I
Sandy
just
will give to Paul.
No, she will give it to me. She will give me.
You're in my team?
No, me. Okay. Thank you, Misha. Thank you. She's my team. सानवी, मीशा और मम्मा में से कौन अच्छा लग रहा था बताना जरूर. So you can see the guy. He's spreading all over the eggs. He's with full bags of eggs. This is the area where like everybody will gonna do the egg hunt, and the helicopter will come over there up this area and spread the eggs. We don't know still, but we're less exploring. They are still filling their eggs, still spreading too much. It's a big box. An event is gonna start by 3, I think 3, and it's 2:20. So we are waiting in line here to get started. It's gonna be so much fun for kids, right? You gonna enjoy, Misha? Okay. And me, Sanvi? You gonna enjoy or not enjoy? Not. Yes. I will also enjoy. I'm also already enjoying with you. And you can see this is whole field is covered with the eggs, and you can see the rush. This whole area is covered. Well, earlier we were sitting that same place, and now we were not realizing that the same place was everybody is struggling for that place. But now we have to rush the same place again. This drone is watching us. This is the best thing whenever you are in this kind of events. The security is very good. So we are safe. They are taking care of us with this event. I told you. Go back. Why we are coming behind the? You have to be behind the rope. Come on. They're so excited. They're going like everybody going forward. They want to go first. Everybody wants to go first.
Helicopter will not fly unless you're behind that orange line.
How many times we have to go back? Come on.
Misha.
Come on, come back. Helicopter will come. We have to wait for our helicopter, then otherwise you cannot play. You can see the rush all over. They are all ready. It's too much rush. They want to go. Everybody wants to go first. Misha? Everybody making line. Sanvi?
The line's gonna break.
Yeah. कैसा लग रहा है?
सही लग रहा है, अच्छा है.
अच्छा लग रहा है. बहुत क्राउड है. ऐसा क्राउड मिलता नहीं है यहाँ पे देखने के लिए. बस देखो.
15 minutes more than helicopter is coming.
Oh my God. कैसे से बच्चे भगे. पेरेंट्स भी जा रहे हैं. जाओ मुझे दे दो ये. अब जाओ. Oh my God. सारे लोग ऐसे भगे भाई साहब. My goodness, they are all running for their to egg hunt. Oh my God. It's a big rush. Misha, go with daddy. They're all rushing this. We no need to rush in this kind of rush. They're all there. They should not go with the parents. Parents can hit the kids. Oh my God, everybody is running for their egg hunt. As they stop, They said, okay, let's go, and they all. It was full with. The ground was full with the eggs, and now they are.
These kids are monsters. Go.
Oh yes, right.
Why are we even here?
Yeah, but that's what realizing why parents are here. Oh my goodness, they're already getting crazy. Oh my God, where is Misha, Sanvi? They are all lost. Oh, Sanvi got it.
Yes.
Sanvi, how much you got?
I got this.
Oh my goodness, so much. She's got so much. Oh my goodness, everybody is like collecting so much. Where were you? Ooh, Misha.
मैं सानी पूछता हूँ सानी
Oh my
सानी शेयर कर देना फिर बेटा शेयर कर दे
Oh my goodness. Oh my helicopter saying, oh God. It's gonna become.
ये तो हो गई कि मैं पोस्ट
हाँ मैं
फैमिली रूरी वाली मेरी अम्मा
It was fun. It was so much different thing with it. Sanvi, it's filled or it's empty? Show me. One, you can show me. Filled? Oh, good job. We filled it. We have to wait here.
Do it again.
So this is the time, Sanvi. The helicopter is gonna come, right? You ready to see the helicopter? Right, Sanvi? You have to catch some more. Yeah, go with Daddy. You can see this is so much rascal. They've covered the whole ground now. Oh, the helicopter is here! Woo!
बहुत तेज से आएगा
They're gonna drop the eggs now. He's sitting round. When they will tell them that then they're gonna drop the eggs. They're just dropping eggs from there. Oh my goodness, they're all running. Oh God, he's gone. Oh my goodness, they're all running.
बच्चे तो बच्चे बड़े ही बात
Dad is there. That's that side. He's there with Misha. Do not run, Misha. Do not go. Oh my God, they're literally running. Oh my goodness.
Everyone is gonna run. It's not. We're not.
They're getting crazy. They're not even listening what they're saying.
Okay, this time I'm gonna run. I don't care.
They just didn't want to run. They want to go. Anyhow, it's uncontrollable. Bye. Go ahead. Bye helicopter. Thanks for the eggs. एक तो रो रही है देखो कैसे वो कैसे कह रही है इसको मिला नहीं तो रो रही है बेचारी. What you got, Misha? Oh my goodness. They are providing some rest of the candies here. So this is all done. We're going to leave now because we came here just to see the egg hunt here. I don't know what they are doing here. Some face painting, I think. So let's go. So let's go now. Come, show me. So, Misha, wanna go home now or you wanna stay here?
I want to go home.
You wanna go home? Okay. Let's go. Say bye to everybody.
Bye.
This was the this was the moment we wanted to share with you.
In the vlog.
So, yes. So we want to say bye to all of you from here. So if you liked our vlog, you can comment us. But whatever it is, like good or bad, you can do, and subscribe if you liked our video and channel.
And click the bell icon.
Click the icon. Papa ने नहीं कहा.
Click the like, share and subscribe.
Okay.
Yeah.
चलो, let's go.
Try to end the vlog. Bye.
So after Easter egg hunt, we came here to pick up some paneer from this King of Persia Costco. And Misha and Sammy were hungry, right? They're eating hot dogs.
Not hot dogs. They're eating dogs. What?
Sammy's customized hot dog.
Need to stop.
Okay, let's go. Bye.
Hungry, they are बहुत hungry.
है ना?